Here we are in the bareback kitchen. We're starting it, so I'm going to build underneath this sink top here, and you'll get to see it going through its renovation. But first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just build a simple 2x4 base down there. Okay, so you can see I started to build out just a rudimentary kind of a frame. And I don't really measure anything with a tape measure and this shit. So for this, like right here, right, I generally speaking just put it up against the edge there, like that. I'm holding it with my foot. Usually I hold it with my hand. And then I'm going to just make my mark to cut it off. Okay, so that's all I do. Because it's, if you make them all to the same size, she don't fly, okay?